Hi guys, let's open a thing for my phone. I unboxed them, but this one is for my mom, and we're gonna unbox these. Can I open these? I hope I get School Panda. Sorry guys, the video just stopped. Okay, so should we open it? I'm gonna mix it. Any, many, miny, mo, catch a tiger by its toe. If it hollers, let it go. My mother choose the very best one, and it is you. Okay. I hope, please be the rare. Okay. That one's in a really good pool. I love unboxing the little pooling. That's the funnest part of doing it. You're cute. It's like a grump. It's matches my mom's thing.
Case.
Yeah, case. Oh, look how cute it is. I don't know who this is. Okay. So let's just put that. Let's just put these together first. We're gonna do a mukbang today, right, Zaraya? Yeah. Can I just leave here? Yeah. Okay. Then we're gonna open this. Oh, School Panda. Please, School Panda, or the super secret rare. It's 1 in 288 chances. School Panda or a secret. Satisfying. I love them. The card's right there. I don't want to see the card. Oh, flip. What is that? What is the card? School Panda. If it's not gonna be School Panda, I'm gonna be mad. School Panda, please. Dang, it's not the School Panda. Who is this? It's a little baby. Just take her out. Okay. Oh, look how cute it is. It's just laying down. Oh, and then they have a baby of it. That was so big. Look, guys. They even have this. Wait, what is this? What is this supposed to go on? Oh, her hand? And then, she goes here? Oh, so they're a puzzle piece.